Strange RV tours here. We're next to the highway. This is the street sign. Horspitality RV park. We're staying one night. So we're doing this quick. Okay? This is another quickie. So let's I'll show you around. Let's go. Nice grassy area here. Laundry. Oh, I can't show you the code. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, push it. Got a change machine, which is nice to have because nobody has quarters.
Oh, you got a TV in there too.
Yeah. And lots of washers and dryers. And anyway.
We paid $42 for one night. That's with our Good Sam's discount.
Yeah. And there you go.
This is the rec room.
Rec room. We got a pull-down screen for projection stuff, games. And back here is this. When's the last time you seen? Right over here. This. When's the last time you seen this many VCR tapes? Okay. I love it, you know, because, you know, we started throwing ours out. Now I'm thinking we should have saved our VCR because there's some good movies here. But look, all of this VCR tapes.
They have DVDs too.
Yeah, a few.
And all kinds of books.
Yeah, books. Yeah. But it's quaint. It's cute.
Yeah, we got a flat screen TV.
Yeah, yeah, it works too. We tested it. So. Man, I smell barbecue.
And this is the office.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah. The office. You know, it's the check-in, and they have little knickknacks and a few essentials. And actually, there's supposed to be horseshoes and stuff down here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh.
It scare you?
They have a bird feeder over here, and there's birds over here all over.
We've got a dog walk over here. Got a couple of them in the park, but they've got a dog play area. Yeah, it looks like the dry riverbed is the dog walk.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Right now would be a good time to take them.
Yeah. Flash flood area. Do not enter when raining. Ah, there's your horseshoe pits.
There we go.
Got horseshoe pits and we got barbecues.
Awesome.
Grills.
Look at all the horseshoes too. Awesome.
Yeah.
You don't have to go check them out at the office. Cool. And they're saying that during the winter, people bring their horses out here. Got numerous corrals. They have 2 circle pens, and
They have that pet donkey too.
Oh yeah, donkey.
There he is.
Hey, Bucky. Is that Bucky?
That's got to be Bucky.
I didn't bring the carrots.
We'll come back.
Yeah.
He's in a pen, so we'll come back.
We can at least go say hi.
Yeah.
Hey, Bucky. Apparently he doesn't like small dogs. So,
earlier, we looked for this donkey for about 45 minutes on the other side of the park, and here he was the whole time.
hi, Bucky.
Watch.
Hmm? You like to bite. They said you like to bite. You'll be all right? Hmm? Hmm? No, you're not going to bite me.
Not far from here, they have horse rides also, where you can go on a ride with on a horse with a trail master.
Oh, that feels good. See your ears up? You like that?
These are all stalls and corrals for horses. Supposedly during the winter time they get a lot of horses through here, so if you have a horse and you want to take it to an RV park, this is your place. Sorry this video is kind of rushed because we're chasing dark, but we wanted to let you guys see this place. It's first RV park we've been to where they have horse stalls. Hence the name Horspitality.
Oh, no kids are allowed down there.
Here's more of the horse pens.
30 minutes. Arena.
Yeah, each if you're staying here, you're allowed 30 minutes inside this arena per day with your horse. I think it's per day. Sign just said you're allowed 30 minutes.
Ah.
They do have an electric fence on the fence on the inside of the white picket fence.
Doggy area.
Right here on the left, this is, yes, the dog play area. It's nice. They've got a bench in there for you to relax. You're allowed to let your dogs run free in there. We've been very happy so far. We got in here about I guess about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's about 7 p.m. now. And so far everything's gone very smooth. The people that work here are fantastic. They really are. Like I said, if you have horses, I don't know of many RV parks that have horse corrals and stalls, but if you want to bring one with you, this is your place.
Yeah, it's nice. It's actually cooled off now, and everything's great. No power problems, no water problems, no nothing. We've had several parks that we had problems with electric and power outage. Well, the whole valley was out the other place, but yeah. Anyway, it's good. I mean, you got propane available. You know, there's like a bunch of gas stations and stores around here. There's a Bashas' grocery store, the Safeway, CVS,
Ace Hardware.
Yeah, there's all kinds of stores. I thought this town would be like a rinky-dink nothing. There's a lot here.
There is. We saw some really interesting restaurants too. So anyhow, if this is Greg and Janet with Strange RV Tours. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you really like our videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell up in the corner so you get notices as to our future videos. So anyhow, we hope that you've enjoyed this video, and we hope that you give this place a try if you have a horse. So, or even if you don't. We don't have a horse, but no, it's a very nice place.
Yeah, and everybody's friendly. We ran into a lady with a pug, and she gave us another what do you call those? A harness?
Yeah.
A harness, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for our pug, because she got two by accident. So anyway, you get friendly with everybody. I love this. Thank you, guys.
Take it easy. Bye-bye.